Adrian, one of the partners from Blue Carrot. Today we're going to show you a beautiful mussel dish. So we're working today with one of our chefs, Ryan Hardy, and he's going to talk you through the most awesome winter warmer mussel dish that he puts on our menu. So Ryan, we've got some beautiful mussels. What are we looking for when we're getting those from the supermarket or the sea?
You're basically wanting them not to be cracked on the shells or to be floating on the top of the water.
So floating means they're dead, cracked shells, no good. So what we're going to do, you can see we've got a skillet on. She's getting nice and hot on there. This is something you can do on the beach once you've collected the mussels with the kids. So Ryan's just going to knock over a little bit of diced onion for us. And then if you come into this way, guys, you'll see our ingredients, what we've got today. So we've got diced celery, leek. You will notice there's a bit of smoked fish in the pot, some garlic and some thyme. What are these two bad boys, Roy?
Salt and pepper.
And they're our best friends, Susie salt, Percy pepper, double cream and a lemon. So that skillet's getting nice and hot now. So Ryan will talk you through. He's going to bang some onions straight into the pan. So in they go. We're going to swap sides with that little bit of onion, and then these mussels are going to go in. So when these mussels hit the pan, what we're looking for them to do is to open up. So I'll just pass those across to you, young man. So they're going to go in, they hit the pan, start to look for that bit of steam comes up. We're going to take in some of that leek, which sits in there with our flavours. I'll trade sides with you, young man. Okay, so then over to you, Ryan. You've got your smoked salmon. This is just going to add a little bit of base to our sauce, so just a little bit of a twist on the rosemary there. I'm sure those connoisseurs out there have noticed we've got a nice bottle of whisky on the go. So Ryan's going to hit the pan with just a splash. Watch your eyes, because she's definitely going to come up in flames. I get this bit, so I enjoy the little flame. In she goes. Smoking off, salt and pepper's going to hit her. In she goes. And then you'll notice our fresh herbs. So Brian will show you a little trick for how to get the thyme in the dish.
You just want to grab the thyme and pull it just off the branch like that.
In it goes. And the thyme, beautiful hardy herb this time of year, sits in there, punches heaps and heaps of flavour. What we're going to do now, we're going to add a little bit of that double cream. So she's going to sink in. And then because with seafood, we really enjoy the zest and the citrus. So over to you, Ray.
Just want to grab your zester and just run it down the side of the lemon like that.
So in it goes, beautiful. If you just come a little closer, you can just see those mussels just starting to open a touch. So that smoked fish is just going to work all its flavour through, and then I'm going to cut that off for a moment. Then what we're going to do, once that mussel's cooked, just pass you in, you can come closer, Brian, and talk you through two sides of the shell. Now it's about presentation. So you're taking the mussel out, putting it in a nice clean side of the shell, and then once it's on there, that's going to go onto our presentation. And what you'll notice is that's all in there clean, no noddy mussel in there. Once we've got the sauce on, that'll be really easy to eat. So literally 2 or 3 minutes in there, waiting for those shells to open. Again, Ryan, because you can't always tell with the mussels, if we got this dish and they wasn't open, what would we do with them?
Discard them.
Discard them. We treat those as not cooked. So we'll let you have another little sneaky look in there. So if you just have a look, see how they're coming up. So that's looking beautiful. So they're just beginning to open. The other thing that you might get, because the mussels will open and close, sometimes you keep an eye out for the little barnacles, little crabs, little things you don't want in there. So literally another minute, that's coming on. So we've got the garlic, the thyme, celery, the leek. Always enjoy the whisky. The cream's going to put our sauce on. And then what we're going to do from there, we'll just show you how we plate up. So what we like to do is we're going to tip it into the bowl, so then you can get your fingers in. You can either eat them straight from the big bowl, or we can go this way. So I'll get you to have a look, see how heavy you are with those, right? Yep, so that's looking good. So what I'll get you to do, right, I'll get you just to take a couple out and then spoon a couple of portions onto there. So I'll trade sides with you. And you can just watch how easy this one is to plate up. So in on Ryan's bowl, he'll show you how to take the mussel out, put it in the clean side of the shell, onto the bowls. And then that beautiful base of the sauce there, Ryan's just going to spoon a couple of those. When you put it on, if you want to sound flesh, it's just a little nappe on there. So a little spoon over, and then you could do those a dozen at a time. You grab that one, Roy. I'll grab that one. Cheers, good cooking.